Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are struggling to get a super high score in Block Blast, then you are in the right place because today I will show you an insane glitch that lets you rack up huge points effortlessly. So stick around, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming breaking tricks. So without further delay, let's dive in. First of all, you will have to open the Block Blast application and then you just have to tap on the classic mode. Now here is the trick. You need to click on the settings cog wheel in the top right hand corner of the screen and keep clicking replay until you get a vertical block. The vertical block should have 4 blocks in it. We also get 5 blocks, but we don't want to use that. We need to have 4 blocks vertical block. Now once you have the vertical block, you need to place it in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and for the other blocks you can place them anywhere, but be careful, don't completely fill out the last 2 vertical lines on the right side. Now here is where things get interesting. So if you have placed the blocks correctly, the game will keep generating vertical blocks over and over again. You need to simply place one vertical block to complete a line. Another vertical block will appear in the next round, so you just have to rinse and repeat for unlimited high scores. As you can see that the glitch is working perfectly and the game keeps giving me more vertical blocks, allowing me to score big effortlessly. This trick is absolute game changer. So if you want to climb the leaderboard fast, you can try this trick. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.